I started Simple Design Works about 5.5 years ago, and as a company, we started in Hereford. It was a one-man band, and the motivation behind the company was purely the passion for innovation. I love problem solving, and I love working with companies towards resolving their challenges and moving forward and growing as a business. And we're quite fortunate to have a very strong engineering background, but also a very creative team of designers who come up with the funky ideas and concepts.
Day-to-day life at Simple Design Works, you never quite know what's coming through the door next. I guess that's the beauty of a consultancy business, but we're quite varied. We are very strong on plastics, all sorts of fields of plastics moulding, and we've got links with not only injection moulders and blow moulders, but with a composite manufacturer as well. The work involves anything from water bottles through to bumper designs for something like the Guy Martin van that we did a little while ago. We've worked on furniture projects, we work on signage projects. You name it, we've probably had a look at it. Certain projects we might not take on. We know what our strengths are and what's best left to someone that specialises in a slightly different field. So we tend to not just take every job that comes through the door. If it's not right for us, we're going to be disappointing someone potentially, so that's not what we want to do.
When a client comes to us, one of the main concerns is my idea protected? Can someone copy me? Am I going to invest into a business and put my savings or my funds into something that could be replicated? So this is how the Barker Brettel collaboration came about. We very quickly realized that involving the IP quite early on keeps our doors open and allows us to achieve that level of protection that gives you that peace of mind, that gives you that security and allows you to go into your business venture with a lot more confidence. We realized the benefits of actually designing and protecting at the same time, and how that feedback going from one team to the other can help you strengthen the design, but also it can help with your IP application and it can help you future-proof the design and the protection as well. When we met them, it was quite an experience. Walking through these doors and meeting them, they were the easiest people to talk to. They used jargon-free language and they were just down to earth. It was such a pleasant experience that we fell in love with the whole team. So it was quite an easy decision for us and a very positive one. But what we find really useful is that two-way communication in the design process. Being able to get feedback from a patent attorney on what is the most protectable feature in your design really allows you to emphasize that and make the product even more protectable. And it really helps you strengthen your business and maintain your market. It's been a fantastic journey and we enjoyed every second of it.
The CAD system's there as a tool, just like a saw or a hammer is a more old-fashioned tool. CAD is the modern tool that gets us there.
Choosing the right software was an easy decision, actually. I was fortunate enough to explore different CAD packages before, and SolidWorks was the only software that allowed me to focus 100% on the problem I'm trying to solve, on the design, rather than think of the technicalities of how am I going to cut this up. And it was such an intuitive package, it was quite an easy decision. It also offered a lot of capability as far as injection molding or metal structures or castings. Anything I wanted to do, it had more than the capability I was ever going to use. So that was the easy bit. But to me, the important factor was not so much the software. In the previous role, I had the opportunity to work with the Solid Solution support team, and the ability to pick up the phone and talk to a degree qualified mechanical designer who can point you in the right direction when struggling with a mechanism or to get advice on how to approach a complex surface model. This to me was precious, and as a starting business, we didn't have the luxury of employing 20, 30 people with the right skill set. We had to start small and build it from there. So having the confidence I can pick up the phone and get that advice, that meant a lot.